Exercise 1.20. In this exercise, we will have an input in the cell A1, and this input should be shown everywhere in the marked region. So we have a name called Pete, and we should have Pete copied and be pasted everywhere here. But we will not use the copy and paste function. Instead, we will use a formula refer to the A1 cell and lock it so we can drag it both horizontally and vertically. So lock both the column and the row. So when we drag it downwards, it will work since we locked the row. And when we drag it horizontally, it will also work because we have locked the column. And let's fix it. There are 4 extra cells here, so we just need to copy those in and 1 extra this way. Let's try if it works. If we change the name to another name, everything changes. So that's the idea of exercise 1.20. To refer to a cell that can both change horizontally and vertically. I will see you in the next video.